to understand that the meeting between MNS Chief Raj Thackeray and Home Minister Amit Shah is over, and that Raj Thackeray has left from Amit Shah's residence. Raj Thackeray was accompanied by his son. So both Raj Thackeray and Amit Thackeray met Home Minister Amit Shah. We'll try and also connect with our viewers to get more details, the inside scoop on what transpired in this meeting. Raj Thackeray first met Vinod Tawade, the General Secretary of the Bharatiya Janata Party, in Taj Hotel, after which he reached Amit Shah's residence, met the Home Minister, and now that meeting has been concluded. As far as buzz is concerned, BJP trying to get MNS in the NDA fold. Shivani is getting us more details. Shivani, help us understand what transpired.
Swati, this was a very important meeting, as we know that BJP wants MNS to be its part in Maharashtra for the upcoming Lok Sabha elections, and also for more elections like BMC and also the assembly elections that are scheduled for October this year later. So today when the meeting happened with Amit Shah, it was a half an hour long meeting, because before this meeting, Vinod Tawade had already met Raj Thackeray, and it seems that negotiations and the formula was being worked upon. And what we are also learning from our sources, Swati, that MNS is keen on contesting on 3 seats with the BJP, which is the southern Mumbai, the Mumbai South seat, and also Nasik, and one more seat is Shirdi. So we have to see that what the consensus is now on how many seats BJP intends. It was also being told to through the sources that BJP wants to give MNS 1 seat, that is the Mumbai South seat, which is a very important seat and a seat of prestige. And that's why the meeting has already happened here, and before this meeting, several rounds of meetings had already happened with the top leadership of the BJP and the Maharashtra leaders, including Raj Thackeray. And today when Raj Thackeray was here, he was also accompanied by his son. He was also here, Amit Thackeray. He was also along when he met the Home Minister at his residence, where we are present right now. And we are being also told that today, later in the day, some important announcement can be made which pertains to this negotiation that has been worked upon, the formula that has been found, the seat sharing agreement of the BJP and other parties in the Maharashtra Lok Sabha elections, which are upcoming Lok Sabha elections. So this was important, and again Raj Thackeray has reached back the hotel. That means he might stay back, or he might return to Mumbai by evening today.
Right. Multiple reports coming in of the number of seats Raj Thackeray is asking for. According to reports, it's Mumbai South, and according to some reports, it's Shirdi and Nashik as well. And we also, this is what we're given to understand, that the BJP is not willing to give more than 2 seats to MNS. But what is interesting, Shivani, is everything is happening in a very hush-hush manner. Raj Thackeray also not speaking to the media. Nothing coming in from the BJP camp as well.
See, we know BJP for not unfolding things until they are done completely. And this deal, I think they will be revealing only after the seat sharing formula has been found with full consensus. The negotiations are still on. That's what we are being told. And maybe by today evening, the announcement is likely on the consensus that has been found. As of now, what we are learning, Swati, that the Nasik seat and the Mumbai South seat are the 2 important seats for which the MNS is negotiating hard, but BJP wants to give them 1 seat. BJP itself wants to keep more than 30 seats, and the rest 18 seats will be shared amongst all the other allies of the BJP in Maharashtra. So we have to see that which these seats will be, and very important out here also to understand that Raj Thackeray will work with the BJP and its alliance to cut the vote share of Uddhav Thackeray. That's what the BJP also wants in Maharashtra. Not only focusing on the Lok Sabha elections, but the BMC and the assembly elections, that are also 2 major elections in Maharashtra. Right. Maharashtra happens to be the second biggest.
Shivani, stay on with us, because